Hello everyone, welcome to another video of comprehensive biology learning. In today's video, we will discuss the graphical derivation of third equation of motion. The third equation of motion is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. It means that the third equation proves the relation between velocity and displacement. So for understanding the third equation, we should first make a velocity time graph. You plot the time on the x-axis and velocity on the y-axis. Let us consider that the object changes its velocity from point A to point B. That is, the initial velocity is u and the final velocity is v. And as we already know, if the velocity increases with time, then the object is said to be in the uniformly accelerated motion. So इस ग्राफ से हमें क्या क्या पता चल रहा है? OA is equal to u. The term OA stands for u, which is the initial velocity. BD stands for v, which is the final velocity. OD stands for t, which is the time duration. And the slope AB tells us how much is the acceleration of this particular object. Now let's move towards the proof. As we know that the displacement through a graph can be calculated if we calculate the area covered by the entire कोऑर्डिनेट्स. लाइक अगर हमारे कोऑर्डिनेट्स ए एंड बी हैं तो वो उस ग्राफ के रिस्पेक्ट में कितना एरिया स्वाइप कर रहे हैं, दैट विल गिव अस द आइडिया ऑफ displacement. So the displacement S can be calculated if we calculate the area of trapezium OABD. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे कोऑर्डिनेट्स A and B एक ट्रेपेजियम बना रहे हैं O, A, B and D का. So अगर हम इस एरिया को कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं, we will be able to find out the displacement. Now the formula for the area of a trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides, these are the parallel sides, into the height of the trapezium. This is the height of the trapezium. Parallel sides OA and BD and the height OD. So if we use this formula, we can calculate the area of the trapezium. Now as OA is equal to U, as BD is equal to V and OD is equal to T, and if you put the values in the above formula, you get this equation. S is equal to half into U plus V into T. Let this be the first equation. Now, what do we already know from the first equation of motion? We know that V is equal to U plus AT. So अगर आप इसको rearrange करते हो तो T is equal to V minus U upon A आ जाएगा. अब इस T के वैल्यू को हम लोग इस इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में. यहाँ पे T की वैल्यू की जगह ये वाली वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So if we do the following rearrangements, we'll get it like this. S is equal to half into U plus V, ये तो हमारे पास पहले से था, और T के बदले हमने लिख दिया V minus U upon A. Now if you rearrange it and solve it, S is equal to half into U plus V into V minus U into 1 upon A. ये जो upon A था इसको 1 upon A करके मैंने लिख दिया. Now एक बार अगर हमने ये वैल्यू पुट कर दी, S is equal to 1 upon 2A into V plus U into V minus U, क्योंकि 1 upon 2 into 1 upon A को 1 upon 2A लिख दिया है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे V plus U into V minus U. As we know that A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here it will come out like this. S is equal to 1 upon 2A into V square minus U square. Let's take 2A on the left side. So it will become 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. Now if you take minus U square on the left hand side, the equation will be proved. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, which is nothing but the third equation of motion, which states the relation between velocity and displacement.